Nagluluto ang dalawa kong kano ng hotdog. What did you cook?
Hotdog.
Hotdog. Hotdog. Oh, nagluluto ang dalawang kano ng hotdog. Is done? Oh,
Is it done?
ang isa ko nilamutak na yung ang isang hotdog, nilamutak na. Are you done? Done?
Yeah, put it on.
Okay, nilamutak na. Nilagyan pa ng isa ng paper. Nilagyan ng paminta yan. Ni Baby Kano ang hotdog niya plus asin. Ay nako.
Do that.
Nilagyan ng...
Do we need it?
No, don't put black paper. No, don't put black paper. That one, no? Hey, Joseph, you're not...
Mama.
You done? Okay.
No.